Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by signing into the exact channel where watch time should appear. You must be the owner or a permitted manager. Once signed in, make sure analytics and any monetization or data access features are enabled because platforms block some metrics until permissions or eligibility are met. Also verify channel age and content count meet reporting thresholds. If too new, watch time may not accumulate. After these checks, refresh the analytics page and proceed to inspect the settings and filters on the next step. Now look closely at your analytics filters. Remove or broaden date ranges, geographic limits, and device filters because narrow filters hide aggregated watch time. Switch between summary views and advanced raw reports to see if metrics reappear. Sometimes summary aggregates exclude certain sessions. Make sure the reporting time zone matches your expectation since offset dates can split watch time across days. Finally, account for reporting delays. Platforms often take 24 to 72 hours to finalize watch time, so wait and recheck if recent traffic is missing. Finish by removing local issues. Clear cache, try an incognito window, or use another browser to rule out client-side problems. If you use external analytics tools or API connectors, verify API quotas and that OAuth permissions include watch time scopes. Reauthorize if needed. If numbers still differ, collect precise examples, video ID, timestamps, and expected totals, and contact platform support. One key troubleshooting tip: always include UTC timestamps and a screenshot of the analytics filters so support can reproduce the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.